This is Pointe St Montreal. I got a Via train with a P42DC pulling some LRC coaches. Here at the yard. Instead of pushing locomotive, yep. There we go. And 40 PH-2. Heading into Central Station. And there's another train coming down the hill there. Yeah, it's the EXO train. This is the Mascouche Detour. With an F59 PHI. And that one still has its AMT markings. And these were EXO transit engines, built originally for Toronto. With the city of Montreal in the background. They still haven't gotten rid of these Comet 2 cars. They're still sitting here. And there's another F59 PHI, or PH rather. This one has EXO written on it instead of the AMT logo. And there's a commuter train coming in from St Hilaire, it looks like. With an ALP 45 DP pushing. And above there is the REM. Currently it's not in service as of the 31st of July, but it should be coming back soon.